born in 1901 and I am a great jazz musician. I come from New Orleans. I play the trumpet and the cornet. I came to New York City on 1929 for my first Broadway appearance. In 1967, I recorded the song What a Wonderful World and released it. Since then, many notable versions of this song have been released, but mine was the first. I see trees of green. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Who am I?
And on March 24th, I am going to New Orleans, and I will bring you back a souvenir. Okay? All right. Okay, next.